Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas Eve get ready with me. It's actually the day before Christmas Eve that I'm filming this, but I wanted to have this video up the morning of Christmas Eve, so that's why I'm filming it early. And I also just felt like doing a holiday makeup tutorial before the holidays are over. So Merry Christmas Eve to those of you who celebrate Christmas, and Happy Holidays to those of you who celebrate any other holidays, or Happy Monday to those of you who don't celebrate any holidays. I don't exactly know what I'm going to be doing today for my makeup look. I just wanted to use the Nabla Cosmetics Poison Garden palette. It's just so pretty and I've just been really wanting to use it. So that is what I'm going to do today, and let's go ahead and get started. And I'm also wrapped up in a blanket right now because it is so cold in my room. Or in my film room. I never put the heat on in here just because I only go in here to film and like organize my makeup. So it's just really cold in here right now. Okay, so I already put some concealer and powder on my brows. I use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade Creme. And then I used the Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Matte About It Loose Translucent Powder to set my concealer. I'm going to take the LA Girl 202 crease brush, and I'm going to start with the shade Zen in that palette. I really want to do a halo eye. I haven't done one of those eyeshadow looks in quite a while. I've just been doing a lot of cut creases, so I wanted to do something a little bit different today. So I'm just really blending this color out into my crease, and this is going to be the transition color. Okay, and I think I'm gonna focus on berry colors in this look, mostly because there's really only berry colors in this palette. So next I'm taking the color Ofra in this Luxie 227 blending brush. I'm just gonna apply that color to my outer V and the inner portion of my lid. Just kind of tapping it on there, not really like blending it in circles, just putting it in place first. Okay, and then I'm going to take this little tiny definer brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. This is my favorite brush to use for like blending out colors in the crease. I'm going to take Opera again. I'm just going to go into the crease, connecting those two corners together. Okay, and then I'm going to take the highlighter that I'm going to use on my face today. This is the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. And with a little pencil brush, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Alright, and then with this color, Adagio, and a flat shader brush. This one is just from LA Girl. I'm just going to deepen up those corners a little bit. Okay, and now with the color Subliminal, just on my finger, I'm going to apply that to the center. I can tell that that's not going to apply very smoothly, so I'm going to take some concealer on a flat concealer brush. Just put a little bit on the center of my lids and blending it out. And then taking that color with my finger and placing it over top. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit of glitter over the top. This is the Lime Crime Diamond Dew in Rose Goals. And I'm just going to tap that on top of the orange shadow. Alright, it kind of turned into like a blown out halo eye, and also I'm not sure how Christmas Eve-y this is, but we're just gonna continue. Okay, and I think I'm going to skip eyeliner on this look just because the shadow is really pretty by itself. So I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Blast and the Violet Voss lashes in Wisp or Wisp Out You. Okay, now for the face, I'm going to start with a primer that I have not used before. This is the Pretty Vulgar Detox and Chill Lava Water Foundation Primer. I tried it out on my hands first because I was like kind of confused if this was actually a primer, and it has the weirdest texture. It starts out like really thick gel and then it literally turns into water, and it doesn't have a smell or anything, so I'm just like, I don't know what to think of it. It's very moisturizing, like it makes my skin feel really slick. Then for foundation, I'm bringing it back to the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Foundation, and this is in the shade Bisque. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. It is so good. It never lets me down. It has great coverage and it lasts for such a long time. I don't know if this is my right shade, but I'm just gonna go for it because I don't feel like going back into my drawers. Yeah, this is a little dark for me, but we're gonna make it work. And putting on some concealer underneath my eyes and on the high points of my face. Okay, and then baking my face with that Pretty Vulgar powder that I used before. Then to bronze up my face, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and just using this big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics Marble Brush Set. Then for blush, I'm using the Balm Beach Blush, just with that same fluffy brush that I used. This blush is so light, you have to like put so much on for it to show up. Then using that same Ofra highlighter that I used for my brow bone, I'm just going to highlight my whole face. And to finish off the eyes, I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is in Vice, and I'm going to put this in my lower lash or waterline. Then taking the color Opera again, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line, and I'm just using this really skinny blender brush. And then taking Zen, that transition color, on this little definer brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and I'm just going to blend out that lower lash line. Alright, and then putting on some mascara and putting some of that highlight on my inner corner. And to finish off the look, I'm taking this liquid lipstick by Nabla Cosmetics, and this is in the color Ritual. Okay everyone, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I'm not sure how Christmassy it is. It kind of ended up being pretty Christmassy. It looks like cranberry-ish. But I just wanted to play around with makeup today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do that. I hope that you guys have a wonderful Christmas or holiday, whatever you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate anything, I hope you have a wonderful week. But anyways, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.